Okay, guys. So for question number three, it says we should write a program and design a form in such a way that if I type something in box A, right, it's gonna copy into box B or copy and paste into box B. But it's not just copy and pasting; it's like enlarging the size. So imagine I have someone who sees like tiny details, right? And someone who cannot see tiny stuff. So like I want to write in such a way that okay, this tiny person will type in here or okay, I saw hello, or type in his own hello the way he can see it on his desktop, and this other person cannot see tiny text, wants to see something very bogus. So let's just dive into it. Already come here, we draw out our label one, and that's too big. I'm coming. Let me expand. Let me expand this. Text box one. For that individual that can only see something tiny, then I come here again, label. So this will be my label two. For the guy that can see big stuff of size 28, so then this is the tab where stuff appears. So I think it's just best I make this bigger, since my goal is to have a big text. So we'll shift exactly. Then I have my command button that just says, I think we should name that copy. Yeah, so we come here to text. Remember, I want to erase the text away from the box. So scroll up. Yeah, text one. I don't want text to show in the box. I want an empty box. Then I come to this guy also, text two. I don't want text to show. Then for the command, I come here to copy the code. So for the code, right, it says first text, which is the text in the box one, then second text, which is text in box two. Then you can see that it now tells you that for your text two, I want my font size to be equal to 28, as we were told. Then this dim makes it a variable, I guess. Yeah, dim makes it a variable. Then string, in the sense that copy what's in the first text, like first text is our copy board. So I come here, copy what I want to copy, Control C. Then let me just erase everything here, Control V, and let's press play. So for here, I think I want to copy hello from the tiny guy. Then the guy who sees big things sees his hello in a bigger version. So just don't forget, mix up your interface. Just redraw. You can put your label down this way, down that way. Just scatter everything around. Let them be sure that it's all different. So make sure you subscribe, guys, and share the YouTube content.